Hey there, car enthusiasts! Ever wondered why your car isn't running as smoothly as it used to? It might be your fuel injectors. Let's dive into the signs of dirty fuel injectors and how they affect your car's performance. Poor fuel efficiency. If your car is guzzling gas faster than usual, dirty fuel injectors could be the culprit. Clogged injectors can't deliver fuel efficiently, making your engine use more fuel. Rough idling or stalling. Dirty injectors can mess up the air-fuel mix in your engine, causing it to idle roughly or even stall. You might notice your engine hesitating or sputtering. Reduced engine performance. Feeling a lack of power. Clogged injectors can reduce engine performance, making your car feel sluggish and unresponsive when you hit the gas. Increased emissions. Dirty injectors can also lead to increased emissions. If your car fails an emissions test, or you smell unburned gasoline from the exhaust, it might be time to check those injectors. Misfires and engine knocking. Misfires and engine knocking are other signs. Clogged injectors can cause your engine to misfire or knock, which can lead to more serious damage if ignored. Check engine light. Finally, a clogged injector can trigger the check engine light. Your car's computer might detect irregular fuel delivery and alert you. Regular maintenance, like using high-quality fuel and cleaning your fuel system, can prevent these issues. If you suspect dirty injectors, get them checked by a professional. Keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car care tips.